Hey guys, welcome to the 23rd episode of my drift life. As you guys know, I bought an M3 2 weeks ago and I do some modification and restoration for it. But this episode will be the most significant change for the car because I'm gonna wrap it. As you guys see, there was some miscolor and rusty trims from this M3, so I'm gonna make it look good again. And now, let's show the finished look first.
What we do here is go back.
This is actually my first time wrapping the car, so I'm gonna walk through with you what kinds of difficulty you may face from the first time that you're wrapping. But I'm not gonna to get through too much of the detail because there was a lot of tutorial and introduction of it. I'm gonna include those ones that I think is really helpful for you guys. Yeah, first of all, where do I get the vinyls? I'm actually getting the cheapest ones or maybe the best review one with the most valuable price. It's a Vivid car wrap for $100 only, and the cost is even less because I only use half of the material because I'm only wrapping 3 panels so far for the car. The most constraint for me is time, I would say, and budget. So I'm thinking of the other colors of the car when I start wrapping it. Maybe yellow is something that I really like, the yellow of the S2000 color, which is pretty shiny. But I feel like I can only probably do 1 wrap per time because every panel probably costs about 3 hours of work. So that's why I'm choosing wrap instead of paint, because paint you gotta have full commitment of 2 to 3 days or maybe a week. And my only places is my garage. I don't want to get my garage really dirty by repainting the whole car in my garage. So that's why I choose wrap instead of paint. So the first panel that I wrap it is the front hood. So as you guys see, the hood was black primer painted before, and I'm not a big fan of the black hood, so I'm more like a big fan of the black roof. So that's why I'm priority to change it back to red. So the color is not really very matched for the car because there was a little bit fade from the body panels as well. So even within 1 panel, the paint is not like there was some fading from the paint. So I think eventually my goal is to rewrap the whole car. But currently, for time constraint, I'm just doing the most needed panels first. I'm gonna tell you guys what do I do to prepare for wrapping. So how do you gonna clean the car? To be honest, I only use water with some mop material. Then a lot of the video that I watched before, they use alcohol to clean it up. I fully suggest you should do it. But I didn't see much of the differences because the car clear coat on this 95 M3 is actually very bad. So a lot of the bubbles and things is actually coming from the uneven surface of the panels. But my standard is just I want to make it look good from the distance. So the second panel is the nose panel. The previous owner probably get it from the other car because it's black. It should be red from the M3 or maybe any red E36 cars. So here's the finished look with the new panels and the new fog lights. So the third one is actually the roof. I figure out after I wrapping it, because I'm trying to watch some video for reviewing. I may do it wrong because most of the people that wrap the roof with the roof window, they actually roll the window down first, so that they don't need to cut it from the windows up, and then it saves them a lot of effort. So it just separate to two different wrap process. So wrap the roof first, then the roof window separately. I feel it will be much easier if you have the roof window down. So rules of thumb, roll the roof windows down if you try to wrap the window. And the tool that I use is very simple. I just use one mop and soft, I would say soft grinder, something like that. Just like the credit card, but with fabric material, wrap it on the outside, which gives a more soft touch. Because if you use the plastic car to try to push it, you end up scratching the wrap. That's the finished look. Thank you guys for watching today. Like it if you like it, and remember to subscribe for following the future contents of my drift build on this M3. I'll see you guys next time.